Alright, welcome back. Give me 5 minutes of your time and I'm going to show you December money making strategy that nobody is talking about. I'm pretty sure you have not heard of this strategy before. By this time last year, I was worried about how December is going to look like because I don't have anything on me then. And believe me, when I went into some strategy online at December period, I was able to hold up to $400 at then, though the $400 is not much, but I was pretty happy because I never knew I was going to have short money. So though the strategy I'm about to share with you in this video is far different from the strategy I used then, but if you're able to stick with me from the beginning of this video to the end and you follow everything I'm going to show you in this video, believe me, you're going to hold up to $300 to $600 in December period. Just stick with me. But before then, I have two questions for you. Have you ever seen something like this on TikTok before? That is payment method or payment place on TikTok before? I'm pretty sure the answer is no, because the only people that might have seen something like this are people that have been monetized on TikTok. And I know that most of Africa countries are not allowed to be monetized on TikTok, right? So there is probably no one is seeing something like this on TikTok. Secondly, have you ever seen something like payments directly to your local bank on TikTok before? Yes, I'm pretty sure it's no again. As you can see, this is a country region and you are seeing Nigeria on top, and you see bank transfer. That is, you can transfer your money from TikTok to your local bank account. Guys, this is a new strategy that TikTok just brought that nobody is talking about, and I'm pretty sure you have not heard of this strategy yet. And I'm going to review this strategy for you, and you can start work on it before December, and you come back and thank me in the comment section. So how do you make money on TikTok? See what you are coming to do. You are coming to promote a music and you are being getting paid. As you can see, if you're able to promote this first one at the top, you are going to be getting paid £300, not $300. This one is £300. If you promote the second one that is following, you are going to be getting paid $300. The third one is going to be $300. If you scroll down, you're going to see tons of songs that you can promote and get paid for it. The first question that might come in your mind, you are not monetized on TikTok, you don't have up to 10,000 followers, that you cannot work on it. Guys, calm down, because this one does not require you to have up to 10,000 followers. You are not here to be monetized on TikTok before you can get paid. This one, you are coming to promote a TikTok. Don't worry, the requirement to work on these new strategies are easily to get. Even if you don't have TikTok accounts, I'm going to show you simplest way to get the result or requirement to work on these new strategies. All right, so what we're going to be doing at first is I'm going to head over to my TikTok account and show you how everything works. All right, the first thing to do to work on these new strategies, the first thing you must have TikTok account. And if you don't have TikTok account yet, all you have to do is to just download TikTok, and after you have registered, you log in to your dashboard. This is how your dashboard is going to look like, and I'm pretty sure 95% of you guys have TikTok on your phone. So all you have to do is to head over to this place. You are seeing your followers, like and following. As you can see, I'm having 32 followers. That is, I have not been serious on TikTok before, but because of these strategies, all of us are going to be serious on TikTok now and start making this money strategy that I'm about to review to you guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to head over to this three dot. All right, we are going to click on that three dot. Once you click on the three dot at the top, and you're going to see something like Creator Center. Well, you're going to open the Creator Center. Once you click on Creator Center, you will see something like Work with Artist. Then you're going to click on Work with Artist at the top here. And after you have clicked on Work with the Artist, here are the requirements to partake in these new strategies. The first thing, how do you work with artists? That is the questions. Pick a paid music task you are interested in. Create a video with that song and post it. The more likes, share, and view you get, the more you earn. So these are pretty simple. Just pick a song. You see the song I just show you now. Just pick any of the song and do a video with it and post on your TikTok. The more like, share, and comment you got, the more money you earn. Now, what are the requirements to partake in these strategies? The first thing, you must be at least 18 years of age. It have marked because I'm above 18 years of age. Then Secondly, you must have at least 1,000 followers. 1,000 followers on TikTok. I don't mean 10,000, because 10,000 is requirement for monetization. We are not here to be monetized. You are going to need 1,000 followers. And do you know what, guys? At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that you can get more than 1,000 followers in just 3 or 5 days. As far as you follow what I'm going to show you, you're going to complete your requirement in 3 or 5 days if you follow everything. Lastly, pass anti-cheating verifications. As far as you will sign up to this point, you're going to be verified instantly. Before I show you how you can get this your 1,000 followers in 3 days, I'm going to show you how you can apply on this new strategy and start making the money for yourself. So then this is what you're likely going to see if your 1,000 followers is complete. Then you're going to click on apply. If you can see, you see that apply here is blue now. So you're going to click on apply. And once you click on apply, this is the tips you are going to see. Get rewarded for video using the artist song. These are their tips. Then you're going to enter again. The better your video perform, the more you earn. You enter again. Start creating and submit your videos now. Then you enter. Then here are the music you can start promoting instantly. As you can see, if you're able to promote this first one here, you're going to be getting paid £300. Second one here, you're going to be getting paid $300. Third one, $300, and so on. And there are thousands of music you can promote. Any artist you like at all, any artist music you like at all, a bit in your country, Nigeria, you can see them, and just search for it and take it. And the price is tagged around it. As far as you promote it and you get engagement, like, share and comment, you're going to be getting paid according to what you are getting there. Now the next thing is for you to click on enter, and once you click on enter, this is what you're likely going to see. This is the payment method. This is where you have to receive your money. All right, you can see it. Now the next thing is for you to click on set up a payment method. All right, you can see it. So once you click on set up payment method, it's going to take you to this side, and you're going to click on payout account setup. All right, so once you click on it, now this is what you're likely going to see, and you have to select payment method. And once you click on payment method, and this is what you're likely going to see, and you have to select your country. You can see it here. Select your country, that is Nigeria. You can see Nigeria is on top here, and you're going to input your local bank details here, your name, bank you're using, and account number. Then you're going to click on enter. Once you click on enter, they're going to send OTP to the email which you input on your TikTok, and they're going to send you the OTP. All you have to do is to copy the OTP, come back here and paste it, and click on enter. You are connected already. All you have to do next is to take any music of your choice and start promoting, and you start getting paid for it. As simple as that. I told you guys I'm going to show you how you can get 1,000 followers in just 3 days. Guys, this is my TikTok account, and as you can see, I'm having just 32 followers. That's why I see that I'm not even qualified for it now. But believe me, in the next 3 days, if you follow me now, you're going to discover that I've gotten more than 1,000 followers. See how it works. All right, the first thing you have to do is to get an account on TikTok, and after you have gotten an account on TikTok, this strategy that I'm about to show you, I've used it before, and I have up to 2,000 followers. But because I don't really have anything to do on TikTok, I lost the account, and this is a new account, guys. And this new account, I'm going to show you how we can get this strategy for you to be seeing updates on how I'm working on this TikTok and getting this value. In the description of this video you're seeing now, I'm going to drop my TikTok link. Just follow me. Let's work hand. You can as well use follow every strategy that you see me following. Now the first strategy to use to get follower is for you to have like 2 or 5 videos on your TikTok, so that it will keep your audience engaging. Now you have to create a content. Even if you don't want to show your face, there are some way you can create a content and paste on and post on TikTok. As you can see, this is one of my contents that I did not show my face, and these ones give me 614 views. All right, so guys, how do you create a content on TikTok without showing your face? The first thing you have to do is to get a trending video, the one you know that is trending. just get it and click on duet. And as you click on duet, at the place of that is showing your picture, for you to show your face, just replace it with image, any image you like at all, and leave it there. And once you repost it, you can duet like 3, 4, 5 videos at a time. Now, how do you duet? If you want to duet a video, you have to click on this arrow here, this arrow, and once you click on the arrow, you're going to see at the down button, you see something like duet. All right, this is duet. This person locked his video, he did not allow for duet. All right, so this is that is why you're seeing that. If not, you're supposed to see something like duet. This duet is supposed to be black, complete black. So any video you want to duet, if the author, the person that created it, did not lock it, you can use it to duet. And after you have duet like 5 videos and you have them on the TikTok, then you are good to go in the next step, which is how to get followers. Now that you have like 5 videos that can keep your audience engaged, you're going to locate this image and plus there, and you're going to click it. See what you're likely coming here to do. These are tons of people that you're seeing here. All right, get followers on TikTok and Instagram is easier than getting a subscriber on YouTube. Hope you get the point. Now, how do you get followers at this point? See the strategy. We are going to start following all these people around here. In fact, you can follow up to 5,000 followers in a day. If you have a free time and you're not doing anything, instead of watching video or doing nothing, just start following them. All right, and follow like 5,000. Believe me, as you follow 5,000, if you're able to follow 5,000 a day, 3,000 or 2,000 will follow you back instantly. Hope you get this point. Now, at that time, once you come back to your dashboard, then you're going to discover that you are following over 5,000 persons and just 3,000 persons are following you, or 2,000. Guys, don't worry. Some people will not like to see following people and just to get followers. See what I normally do. After I follow them and I've gotten what I want, maybe they are following me and I've gotten like 3,000 or 1,000 that will even need there. The next thing, I'll come back after 5 days. I'll come back and I'll follow them. You come to discover that they are still following you, but you are not following them again. You don't follow anyone and you have over 3,000 followers to work. Just follow them for 5 days, and after they'll follow you back, or just come back and unfollow them all back. Then your own account, you're going to see that you have getting up to this 5 to 1,000 we're talking about. This getting 1,000 we're talking about, you can get it in 7 days, and you start promoting all this song and start making this money. Guys, if you watch this video to this point and you have not liked this video yet, you have to like the video, subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and lastly, drop a comment, whatever I say in the comment section, and share with your friends. So see you guys in our next video. Peace out.